Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys checked out my holiday launch video where I was talking about new releases, there's a new collaboration with Ciate London and Miss Piggy. In that video, I said that I feel like you high-key shouldn't be surprised that I'm doing this video because I said in that one that I am probably going to pop up with it. But in the video, I said I only wanted the blush palette, but then I was like, you know, might as well just go ahead and get the whole collection, right? The collection consists of the blush palette, a mirror, lipsticks, and an eyeshadow palette. So I was on the site and I couldn't find the eyeshadow palette. So I was like, what's going on? Then I went to their Instagram and I guess the eyeshadow palette is only for the UK customers. Love that for me. So I picked up everything else from the collection. I figured I would just do like an eyeshadow look that you could do if you picked up the eyeshadow palette with other eyeshadows that I already own. So if you guys want to see that and then hear my thoughts on the rest of the collection that I actually did pick up, then let's go. I'm gonna use Pat's palette, even though I'm sure it's a lot more expensive than the Miss Piggy one. I'll pop the Miss Piggy one up here. I feel like they've got some of the same colors in them. And hey, Pat's palette is pink too, so we're on theme. So I'm gonna hop into this shade right here. Not a lot though, just a little bit, and then start with that around here. Actually, I think, yeah, I'm just gonna use this as my outer corner color too. Guess what color we're incorporating today? You guessed it, it's green. And that's going to be my first lid color. Then this shade right here, I keep going back and forth between this one and this one. They're both they're both giving pink, but they're also both kind of giving like purple undertones as well. Oh, duh. There's this one right here. She also kind of gives off gold though. Knowing me, we might just end up doing like all of them. But let's go with this one. And start applying that out here. And then I just bridged the gap with the red shade in the palette between the green and pinky purple. I also told you guys in this video that I would try the HUDA Stick Foundation again with a base I'm a little more familiar with. So I'm gonna do the Tatcha primer today. Okay, let's see if she's still melting in even without the jelly primer. Now on to what you guys actually clicked on. The first thing I got is the Moi mirror. Actually, for a good minute, this is really the only thing that I wanted from the collection. But again, I was like, well, might as well just get all of it. So this is what it looks like, and ooh, she is giving me HD. Y'all know mirrors, ooh, let me not blind you. Y'all know mirrors matter. The only thing is the handle, like the rest of it, is kind of like think of NARS packaging, you know, that type of feel, and I feel like that could get dirty easily, especially since it's pink. But listen, the mirror does what it has to do, and of course the back of it is very cute. And then I also got the cream face, oh, it's cream. Okay, the face palette. And that looks like that. I honestly could make all of these shades work, but for today I'm going to use this one for blush. This also has a very nice mirror in it, but I want to use the Miss Piggy one. So let me just get some products and just start loading up on my cheek. You have to build that pigment up a little bit, but she cute. You know, she ain't no Laura, but she cute. Let me go ahead and take all this powder off. And then I bought this lipstick shade Universal Pink. Hopefully it really is universal. And it looks like this. Now y'all know I never do one lip color anyway. Certainly not gonna start with this shade of pink, but let's see. For a different look, we could stop here, but it's not a different look. And you know, she's giving a little too pink for what we've got going on up top. So I'm gonna tone that down a little bit, just a little bit. Maybe even make this a glossy lip. We don't need glossy lip every do. And that is it for my face today. So these are swatches of the 4 blush shades. They're sheer, okay? Very, very sheer. I'm just not feeling it. Granted, I really just bought this whole collection for the Miss Piggy connection, but you still want to like the things that you buy because you're supposed to use them on your face, and I just don't see myself doing that. Like, this is sheerer than the Fenty cream blushes, and you guys know they pretty much got like an across the board review of being pretty sheer blushes, and this is sheerer than that. And these are after building up on these swatches, okay? It's not like I just dip my finger and swatch then move on to the next color. Like, I dipped my finger into the pan for each of these, and this was the best I could do, especially getting them to show up on my skin tone. It's like, I don't want to have to do all that when I am doing my face. Now, if that's how you like your blushes, you know, like borderline not there, not showing up, then you probably won't have any problems with this. But if you were to buy this not seeing someone already say like, oh, it's pretty sheer, so you know what you're going into, and then you get it and you're like, what am I supposed to do with this? I do feel like they would be easy to mix with other blushes, other more pigmented cream blushes, or even powder blushes. I do feel like they would make it easy, or it'd be easy for you to mix the two to get the type of color payoff that you would want. But if you don't want to do that, you know, if you just want like something fresh out the pan, put it on, go about your business, you're probably not going to get that from these. This is also a swatch of the lipstick shade down here. Very pigmented, you know. It's not going to give you any of that patchiness that some lipsticks might give you. I would say the finish is pretty satin, very slippery. Like, I feel like if I didn't add the top color that I did, like, I'd have a lot more of a shimmery, I've been making up words in my videos, shimmery finish to my lips. So the finish is very satin, very creamy as well. Like, I feel like, you know, we could have gotten the same pigment in these that we got in the lipstick Ciate. I'm just saying. And then of course the mirror. It's a mirror. Well, actually, no, like I said, mirrors count, so no, it's not just a mirror. It's a mirror that has a very nice view. When you look into it, I feel like it would help you if you are looking for a mirror as far as doing your makeup and stuff like that goes. But also, again, I just bought it because it has Miss Piggy on the back. So the mirror was actually the main thing that I wanted from this collection, so happy I got that. The lipstick, I don't have anything negative to say about it. It's just, you know, when I need this shade in the lipstick, I'll know I'll have it, so can't really say I dislike the fact that I bought that. It's just there, you know what I mean? Like, it's at that point you just know whether or not you like that type of finish of lipstick and that color, and then you get it, you know. And then yeah, the face palette is the only thing where I'm like, okay, you got me, Capitalism, you got me to buy something I probably didn't need and I ended up not really liking. And that is it for this video. So I hope seeing me test out some of these things have helped. If any of you were thinking of checking them out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.